my wireless Beats. They are the rose gold ones. I just got them yesterday. Well, I bought them last week, but I actually didn't buy them. So I bought a MacBook and I got these for free.
For free!
So that's like awesome, and they're like $400. I've never owned Beats before. I've owned fake ones. They're like the ones you get in Malaysia, and they were like pretty cheap. So I used to like get them when Beats just came out. I thought it was so cool. It says 40 hours battery life. These are the rose gold ones. These are the Solo3 wireless. They're Bluetooth headphones, which is, that's so cool. I'm like so excited. And it says on the side, people aren't hearing all the music. With Beats, people are going to hear what the artists hear and listen to the music the way they should, the way I do, Dr Dre. That's cool. And there's like his signature there. Without further ado, I am going to unbox these. My Stanley knife here. Stick is off. And then there's a sleeve. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited! I bought a MacBook Pro for university this year. The great deal was you get a free pair of Beats if you purchase like a MacBook. So you could choose like whichever Beats you wanted. Like you could obviously choose like the headphones, like the in-ear ones and stuff, but I was like, I'm gonna choose the most expensive ones because they're all free. So they had them in the option of like matte black, glossy black, silver, white, rose gold, even had them in red, which is for AIDS. Like all the proceeds for each one sold goes to AIDS. So I thought I'm gonna get rose gold. I'm obsessed with rose gold, so okay, I'm gonna stop blabbing. Let's open. So it says change the way you hear sound. Oh my god, I'm so excited! And then oh my god, this packaging though. Oh my god, and even the B thing on there is rose gold. Look at that. Look at that box, it's like a huge box. Okay, so these must be it. Oh my gosh. Oh, look in there. And it comes with a cute little case, which I love. Oh my goodness. They're so cute. Look at them. Oh my god. I've got makeup on, so I don't really... Oh, how is this going to work? Because I like always have makeup on. Oh, you put this in here. Yeah. Beats. I don't know. So, like, I don't think headphones suit me, but whatever. So they're... No. So I can, like, still hear myself, but... It's pretty like muffled. Holy crap. I could totally be a DJ. So it says charge me up for wireless mode. And you take the little thingy off. I don't know. There's a button you press. This is to turn the thingy. Oh! So you connect it to your phone and this is to turn it up and down. And then you can even pick up calls and stuff with it. So... Oh my god. And it even says like which one's left, which one's right in it. It says left and right. And like they pop like that so you can like fold them. Hey, so I'm gonna put it back in the case. I'm like, I don't wanna wreck it. They're so nice. Oh my god. So let's see what else is in the box. So what's in here? So you pull this. Okay, what? Oh, so this must be to like charge it. Oh my god, it smells so new. Okay, so I don't know what this is. This looks like a headphone jack, but I'm like, they're wireless. So what? Don't know what this is. This must be the charging thing then. And then it comes with like a little clip. Why? I don't know. Obviously this is like the instructions and stuff. So I'm gonna like put this box down. And I'm going to just open this up. I ripped it. Oh well. Ooh, so this is, yeah, okay, this is an instruction. Oh my god, I have a beach sticker! Yes! It's like Christmas. B, 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 B. Oh, come here! Hey, hey! I'm gonna check out my new toy. Well, it's not a toy, but Beats. Beats. The headphones. I wonder if they make Beats for kids. That'd be cool. Okay, so they come out like this, and they're called the Solo3. Oh yeah, they're cool, aren't they? Yeah. And they smell new, and it's like leather on the inside. Please don't break them. Hey, that is the Beats unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, subscribe to my channel. I'm the Glam Fam. Love you.